Hi everyone, I'm Natalie Fries, founder of Nature's Vibe and Heilkunst and sequential homeopathy practitioner. Today's tip of the month is going to be talking about chest colds and helping heal chest colds. So first of all, I don't do a lot of acute care in my practice anymore. I focus quite a bit on helping people overcome chronic health issues. But 'tis the season for chest colds, and I don't feel that it necessarily has to be. So I really wanted to share with you some of my knowledge about this topic and how you can help heal yourself, whether you're trying to overcome an acute lung issue or a chronic health issue. So first of all, unless there's something irritating your lungs or the lung tissue, or your immune system is greatly suffering, I don't see why your body would be host to be able to be infected or affected by a chronic or acute lung issue. So major factors to chest colds from a natural medicine perspective involve having a poor diet. So poor diet meaning in terms of gut congestion. And gut congestion can lead to not having enough gut flora. So not having enough good probiotics, natural human probiotics in your gut. Poor lung health, so either being a smoker or exposed to smoke, excess ambient dryness, exposure to chemicals, so something irritating the lungs. And stressed, when you're so stressed that you're maybe not breathing quite properly. So according to Heilkunst and sequential homeopathy, as well as many Eastern medicine philosophies, there could also be some emotional trauma causing the predisposition to the chest cold that can often involve emotions of sadness or a feeling of having been in a state of terror. So that can be something that recently happened, a grief happened, or something kind of caused a shocking fear, or something that happened in your past. If you have chronic lung issues, same principles apply. Maybe it's not just because you didn't eat properly at Thanksgiving, and then everyone's really stressed out this time of year, and that compounds, and that can affect us in the lungs if we have some of those predispositions. But if you have that ongoing issue over the years, then your body's naturally going to default to chronic lung health issues. So, and this is especially true for those who get chronic chest colds every year, bronchitis, pneumonia, multiple times. So what can you do about it? The good news is there's so much you can do about it to help prevent chest colds this time of year, even if you have that lung predisposition issue. So first, there's a good chance that there's going to be a lifestyle issue getting in your way. So it's time to clean yourself up. And that doesn't mean you need to go on a detox. It just means like, okay, Thanksgiving's over, for us Canadians anyway, we need to, get the produce back in there, while the vegetables are still somewhat in season, get the root vegetables in there, start eating less heavy foods and more produce. Second, probiotics are your new vitamin C. So I'm not saying vitamin C is not important, but probiotics, adding good gut bacteria to support a healthy immune system has been proven to help prevent some of the common colds and certain infections. Third, cut dairy as much as you can. In natural medicine, there's a direct link between mucus production and dairy intake. So we often recommend that you cut dairy definitely while you have the chest colds, maybe a week or two post. If you're feeling like you're a little worried about cold and flu season, right now is a great time to cut dairy, at least the ones that are high in lactose, so milk or non-aged cheeses for a little while. Fourth, breathe. The lungs are a natural cleanser. If you use them and use them well in open air, they're going to naturally cleanse and detoxify. If you have too much dryness in your space, put a humidifier in there. You can get some therapeutic grade essential oils to help soothe the mucous membranes. There's a lot of things that you can do to support your lung tissue. Remove the lung irritant, fifth. So I'm not saying quit smoking during the chest cold, but definitely reduce the load. So cut back a little bit, as much as you can, and plug in again that humidifier to give the lungs a good flush. Don't know how to relax? don't know how to change what you're eating, so stressed you can't breathe, that's what I'm here for. That's what many of the natural health care practitioners are here for at Nature's Vibe. Becoming conscious of what's causing your chronic health issue is the most empowering form of natural healing because it puts the power back in your hands. So it has been my experience through the years of working with thousands of clients that knowing the cause is even more important than the diagnosis and the treatment. So evolve your consciousness, book a Heilkunst appointment, and let's chat. It would be my pleasure to work with you on your path to well-being.